Welcome to Maxhine. In this video, you'll see powerful modern machines working with speed, precision, and efficiency. From robots to smart assembly lines, discover cutting-edge technology and amazing industrial performance. Boston's robot now has a flexible arm that can pick, carry, and arrange heavy objects. Along with running, jumping, and balancing, it shows potential to support humans in construction and warehouse tasks, pointing to a future of human-robot collaboration. This smart packaging process integrates automation for 2 continuous and synchronized stages, creating a seamless, fast, and precise workflow chain. The automatic machine quickly and precisely edges stator coils, enhancing the durability and performance of industrial water pump motors. Frumtech sawing and splitting robot precisely divides products, ensuring stable quality and saving space. The fresh meat slicer specializes in cutting beef thighs into uniform, quick, and precise slices. This automatic system reduces labor, saves time, keeps meat fresh and tender, and is an ideal solution for food stores, supermarkets, or industrial-scale meat processing facilities. The automatic machine quickly, precisely, and uniformly cuts beef, ensuring consistent, safe, and visually appealing product quality, ideal for industrial production. The 75 screw extruder machine pushes molten HDPE plastic into a mold and then inflates it to create bottles of the correct shape and size. This process is quick and produces uniform, aesthetically pleasing products. The robot handle, redesigned for the logistics industry, features flexible movement on wheels and the ability to lift heavy cargo boxes with its robotic arm. This system optimizes warehouse arrangement and loading/unloading while increasing order processing efficiency, marking a significant advancement in modern supply chain automation. The 600-ton wood debarking machine specializes in processing logs up to 13 meters long. With enormous pressure and an automatic blade system, it can completely remove the outer bark in a short time, creating perfect, uniform, and high-quality raw materials for subsequent production and processing. The ABB robot automatically lifts and arranges multiple water bottles with high precision, which reduces manual labor burden and significantly shortens packaging time. Thanks to modern technology, the water bottles are neatly, safely, and always cleanly arranged. The razor blade manufacturing process includes thinning, stamping, sharpening, coating, and packaging stainless steel sheets, with strict control to ensure sharp, safe, and high-quality products. The robotic tube filling system ensures fast, precise, and safe liquid medicine filling. The robot can add tubes and caps without stopping, and automatically slows down when people enter the work area. Thanks to HEPA filters and clean air, the environment remains sterile, thus ensuring product quality. The $5,000 cooking robot has shocked the world by automatically preparing delicious meals, notably hot pizzas. This modern technology makes the cooking process fast and precise. The high-speed bread system helps bake and shape bread uniformly and quickly, suitable for large-scale production. This automation equipment saves time, reduces manual labor, and ensures stable product quality, making it an ideal solution for industrial bread factories. The first operation demonstrated the power of the machine. The clamping table held tightly, while the brush head operated quickly and precisely down to every detail. The semi-automatic skewer machine quickly and uniformly skewers meat and vegetables. This device reduces manual labor, increases production speed, and ensures uniform product size and shape. The automatic machine rolls sausages into perfectly uniform circles, which is both visually appealing and ensures a fast and consistent production process. The automatic melon and pineapple processing line helps to quickly and uniformly cut, peel, and process fruit, reducing manual labor. The system ensures products are always clean, safe, and high quality, making it very suitable for large-scale fruit processing factories. The fully automatic pizza line helps to bake pizzas quickly, with even color and stable quality. The high-temperature conveyor system and preheated oven ensure pizzas are perfectly cooked immediately upon entering the oven, suitable for continuous industrial production.
Thank you for watching until the end. We hope today's scenes of powerful and sophisticated machines gave you an impressive look at modern industry, where speed, precision, and synchronization make production seamless and efficient. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the machine that impressed you the most. See you in the next video with more extraordinary machines.